Hello, my loves. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate having you all with me so that we can continue to learn and grow together. Today, what we are going to be learning about is the Nikon Z30. Now, I just got it on a Black Friday sale. I think it's actually still on sale, so I will leave the information in the description, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox the one that I got here with you. Now, if you do choose to get it, I will say it comes in this, pretty big box. It did say initially came from UPS. It did say that it was going to be a signature required. However, it was just dropped off at my door. So I was a little bit nervous. Luckily, I was home. Had I not been home, I would have been a little nervous for something that's $1,000 to just be completely dropped off at my house. So I do have it below here. I'm just gonna take the scissors, open her up. Inside it is packed pretty well. I got two different things. I got the camera, and then I did go ahead and get the creators bundle just because it was a pretty good deal. So the actual camera is in this box here. Now inside, everything is all packed up pretty nice. We have, it looks like, a warranty, some directions. You know that I'm going to be spending all weekend researching this, watching other YouTube videos, learning how to use this camera. I just wanted to share this experience with you. This looks like the USB cable. Still packed up pretty good in there. We have, looks like a strap. So that I can carry it around. This looks like the battery. It does come with one battery, so I don't know if you can see that. Now I did get the one lens, so you can get just the body, you can get an additional lens, or you can get two additional lenses. I did choose to just get the one additional lens just because I didn't think that in reality I would use the second one. I feel like for my purposes, for these types of videos, getting a little bit more into vlogging, I probably wouldn't use the super big lens. But this, if you see here, makes me feel a little bit more official. It is beautiful. So I'll put the cap back on. Again, I'm going to be researching a little bit more, so I'll share that experience with you as I learn a little bit more. This is just the features of what it looks like initially. There's the camera. It's actually pretty light, a lot lighter than I had initially thought it was going to be. All the different functions. I think this here is so that I can put like an external microphone that kind of muffs things. I do live on a busy street, and I know the noise bothers me sometimes in the videos, so I am definitely going to be taking advantage of that external, but it does have these little slits here are also internal microphones as well. The part that I was excited about, which firsthand, I'm not sure how this flips out. All right, there we go. So the image actually flips out, and you can flip it so that you can actually see it. And then of course the mirrorless lens. Oh, looks like you twist it off. All right, so you twist it off, and that's the actual lens or the actual camera. And then that will just pop right back on, this coming off of that. So I know that there's all kinds of different features. Again, that's what I'm going to be kind of learning about and exploring and sharing with you everything that I learn about it as well. So that's the actual camera. Now we have the creators kit. Again, this was on a Black Friday sale. I kind of said, why not? I'll go ahead and grab it. I don't know that it would necessarily be necessary, but it's, for being so cheap, it wasn't bad. So within this, it looks like it's a remote control. It does have some instructions, again, for me to research along this weekend. So it's pretty small. So it makes it easy if you are vlogging and you just need it like kind of next to you. So yeah, I'm gonna be learning a little bit more about that and how to use it in the best possible way. So that was one piece in this creator's kit. Second piece in the creator's kit was a microphone. So it is that little puff that you traditionally see. So there's that little piece that kind of hooks on and kind of muffles out the sound. Make sure the sound is just what you want it to be. Third piece in this creator's bundle is like a selfie stick. Wow, so if you do get this, you don't open the box from here. It's actually a pretty simple pull. You just open it up like that. That's kind of embarrassing. Again, there are more instructions here that I'll be going over and kind of sharing with you as I learn the best way to use it. But it is just a small little stand. So if I was on the camera right now I quite honestly am on a storage bin is where the phone is right now. I could just set this up and have the camera showing wherever I am, but then I could also close that and it just makes it easier to kind of move around vlog style. So that's the unboxing. If you have any ideas of how I can use this on this particular channel, I would so appreciate those ideas. I'm getting a little bit more into the video making, exploring. As you may have seen on my channel, I'm kind of bouncing around to see kind of what works for me. So if you are not yet subscribed and you want to follow along on that journey, I appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That allows my videos to show up on your homepage and the homepage of others, and it allows us to continue to learn and grow together.